Imagine a world where metals could be transformed into gold. This was the dream of ancient alchemists, who believed that through their experiments they could unlock the secrets of the universe. Alchemy was more than just a quest for wealth. It was a journey into the unknown, a blend of science, philosophy, and mysticism. This was the world of alchemy. In dimly lit laboratories filled with the scent of strange herbs and the glow of mysterious substances, alchemists toiled away, seeking to understand the fundamental nature of matter. Ancient alchemists were fascinated by the properties of matter. They meticulously studied minerals, plants, and even the stars, believing that everything in the universe was interconnected. They believed that by understanding the secrets of nature, they could achieve incredible things. From creating the philosopher's stone, which could grant immortality, to discovering the elixir of life, alchemists were driven by the promise of ultimate knowledge and power. Alchemy was shrouded in secrecy, with practitioners using symbols and coded language. These cryptic writings were meant to protect their knowledge from the uninitiated and to ensure that only the worthy could unlock their secrets. This air of mystery only added to the allure of alchemy. The dimly lit labs filled with strange and wondrous objects created an atmosphere of enchantment and intrigue. Ancient texts are filled with recipes and experiments. These manuscripts, often written in elaborate and beautiful script, detailed the alchemists' attempts to transform base metals into gold and to discover the elixirs of life. These were attempts to unlock the secrets of matter. Alchemists believed that by manipulating the elements they could uncover the hidden truths of the universe. Alchemy wasn't just about making gold, it was about understanding the universe. Alchemists saw themselves as part of a grand cosmic plan, where every element and every action was interconnected. It was about finding the hidden connections between all things. Through their studies, alchemists sought to reveal the underlying unity of the cosmos, believing that by doing so, they could achieve true wisdom and enlightenment. The philosopher's stone, a legendary substance, was believed to hold the key to transmutation. Alchemists sought this stone to turn base metals into precious gold. The elixir of life was another goal. This potion was believed to grant immortality to those who possessed it. While these goals seem fantastical today, they drove alchemists to experiment. They mixed substances, heated them, and observed the reactions. Their relentless pursuit of knowledge laid the groundwork for modern science. Alchemy boasts a long line of influential figures. Hermes Trismegistus, a legendary figure, is considered the father of alchemy. His writings greatly influenced alchemical thought. Jabir ibn Hayyan, an Arab alchemist, emphasized experimentation, a cornerstone of modern science. Even Isaac Newton, the father of physics, was deeply interested in alchemy. His experiments with metals and his search for the philosopher's stone highlight the significant role alchemy played in the development of science. Section 4. The shift from magic to science, the birth of experimental methodology. Over time, alchemy began to change. What was once a mystical and secretive practice, shrouded in the quest for turning base metals into gold, started to evolve. Alchemists, who were often seen as magicians or sorcerers, began to adopt a more methodical approach to their work. The focus shifted from mystical interpretations to a more systematic approach. Instead of relying solely on ancient texts and esoteric knowledge, alchemists began to observe the natural world more closely. They meticulously recorded their experiments and outcomes, seeking patterns and reproducibility. Alchemists started documenting their experiments, sharing their findings, and questioning traditional beliefs. This collaborative spirit was crucial in moving away from the isolated and secretive nature of early alchemical practices. By sharing their knowledge, they laid the foundation for a more open and systematic pursuit of scientific understanding. This shift towards empirical evidence and observation marked the transition from alchemy to chemistry. The rigorous documentation and peer review processes that we associate with modern science began to take shape during this period. Alchemists' meticulous records and their willingness to question and test their own hypotheses were key to this transformation. The development of the scientific method, which is the backbone of modern scientific inquiry, owes much to these early pioneers. Their emphasis on observation, experimentation, and analysis set the stage for future scientific advancements. With its emphasis on observation, experimentation, and analysis, the scientific method became a powerful tool for understanding the natural world. It allowed scientists to build on each other's work, leading to cumulative knowledge and technological progress. The groundwork laid by alchemists was instrumental in this process. Their transition from mystical practices to empirical science paved the way for the modern scientific era, demonstrating the enduring impact of their contributions. Section 5. Crucible to laboratory. Key discoveries that bridged alchemy and chemistry. Many alchemical discoveries paved the way for modern chemistry. The isolation of elements, the understanding of chemical reactions, and the development of laboratory equipment all have roots in alchemy. For example, the discovery of acids and the development of distillation techniques were significant contributions. These discoveries, driven by the alchemists' quest to understand matter, laid the foundation for our modern understanding of chemistry. Section 6. The legacy of alchemy, from chemistry to medicine. Alchemy's legacy extends beyond chemistry. Its influence can be seen in medicine, pharmacology, and even psychology. The idea of transforming substances to create medicines, for example, has roots in alchemical practices. Alchemy's emphasis on the interconnectedness of all things continues to inspire scientists today. It reminds us that disciplines are not isolated, but part of a larger web of knowledge. Section 7. The enduring allure of alchemy, a testament to human curiosity. Alchemy, despite its mystical origins, continues to fascinate us. It is an ancient practice shrouded in mystery and intrigue, often seen as the precursor to modern chemistry. The alchemists of old were not just seeking to turn base metals into gold, they were on a quest for the philosopher's stone, a substance believed to grant eternal life and infinite wisdom. Their work laid the groundwork for many scientific principles we take for granted today. It represents the human desire to explore, understand, and transcend the limitations of the physical world. This relentless curiosity drives us to push the boundaries of what is known and venture into the unknown. From the ancient alchemists to modern-day scientists, the quest for knowledge has always been a fundamental aspect of human nature. It's a reminder that science is a journey of discovery, and every discovery opens up new avenues for exploration. Each breakthrough, no matter how small, adds to the collective understanding of the universe. The spirit of alchemy lives on in every experiment and every hypothesis tested, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey. As we continue to push the boundaries of science, the spirit of alchemy, with its sense of wonder and its pursuit of knowledge, remains a source of inspiration. The legacy of alchemy is not just in the scientific principles it helped establish, but in the enduring human spirit of curiosity and the relentless quest for understanding. This spirit drives innovation and discovery, ensuring that the flame of curiosity continues to burn brightly in the hearts of future generations.